What's up guys, this is Professor Spawn. In this video we are going to see about the various types of comments supported by Java. So I have opened the tutorial.java class, and here we have a comment called as camel casing naming convention. So comments should be used when you want to tell them that why you are doing this operation, and why was there a need for this method. And sometimes you can explain that what is happening inside a method when there is some complex operation, right? So majorly it should actually explain you about why you have written this method or why this method is needed. So comments are useful during programming, or if you are developing any let's say a complex software project, right? So it's not like that you are going to stick in that project for the rest of your life. So what happens is, in corporate you actually switch from one company to another. So you should write code in such a way that whoever comes in your place should be able to read your code easily. And one of the ways to make your code more readable is using comments. So Java has several types of comments, so we are going to see one by one. So the comment we see here, this is actually a single line comment. So what I can do is, above this main method, I can write some comment here. So this is a single line comment, right? So this is basically a single line comment. You can let's say that if you go into this next line, and if you again want to have a comment, you again have to write that this is another single line comment, right? So a single line comment are useful when you are doing some operation inside method, right? Or let's say that here I can say that speed is necessary to calculate, you know, the distance. This is just a vague comment, but you should have some meaningful comment while writing a code. This is a single line comment. Is also, let's say that if you want to describe a method in a more verbose way, so Java has a multi-line comment. So to have a multi-line comment, what you have to do is type forward slash, then type star, and then press enter. So what this is creating is, this is creating a multi-line comment in Java. So inside this block, whatever you will write, this will all be a comment. So what I can do is, this is a main method for, you know tutorial class, and this is a comment on another line, right? If you notice here, I don't have to write this double forward slash every time when I go to the new line. That's why this is a multi-line comment. Also also this is a multi-line comment, right? So we have a single comment, and then we have a multi-line comment, right? And also note that the comments are not part of your Java program, but you should write it to make your code more readable. Let's say, for example, let's open some class here. For, let's say that this is an array demo, not an array demo, but we can have, let's say, okay, we will have this multi-arrays demo class. So here what I'm going to do is, inside this I'm going to write some multi-line comment. So this is going to be a multi-line comment, and here this method fills the multi-array with random values, right? So this is one way of writing a multi-line comment. We have seen about the single line comment, then we have seen about the multi-line comment. There is one more type of comment which we call it as a Java doc comment, and I think that is extensively used when you write a more complex Java software program. So to have a multi-line Java doc comment, what you need to do is you type / and type 2 times double star and press enter. So what this will do is this actually creates a Java doc comment, right? And inside this, you can create that, you can say that this method prints the multi-dimensional arrays, right? So this method prints the multi-dimensional array, and it also says that this annotation, right, at the red param, this this actually refers to the parameter to this method, right? So this ARR, if you click on this, if you click on control and left click on this, this will take to this parameter. So you can also describe what is this parameter. So put a space here, and you can say that this is a multi-dimensional array, right? And also, if there is a return type for any method, you can do something like @return. So I think there is no return type, but you can also have @return type. If some method returns any value, you can have a return annotation, and you can write the name. You can tell what a method returns from, what actually values return from this method. So this Java doc is very useful, and this you can also refer to, like, let's say for example, you can also write here @C, and you can say that the arrays demo, right? So you can say that arrays demo @C arrays demo. So if you click on this, this will take you to the arrays demo. So this is all good. This makes sense when at the class level, when you write on a class level. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a Java document, this class showcase multi-dimensional array demo for array demo, refer @C. You can say that array demo, right? Array demo, arrays demo, and this actually creates a link here automatically, right? So this is why the Java document are very powerful. You can, refer any classes. You can refer, like, explain your logic in a more verbose way. Single line comment should be used inside method. So, you can say that here you can say that this is a loop to print each element, right? So this is like you can use a single line comment. A multi-line comment, you can use it, about method or about classes. But normally, generally, in general practice, the people prefer, the Java document. So don't worry about this multi-array demo and everything, because these are part of, the future tutorials. I've just used it to showcase you what is exactly the comments, right? So we have a single comment, we have a multi-line comment, and then we have a Java doc comment, right? So this is all about, the comments in Java, and you should use it, these comments, to explain your code. So this is where I'm going to conclude this video. Thank you, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in Q&A section. I will be happy to help you. Till then, goodbye and see you.